Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to pay with Affirm on Vrbo in 2025. If you're planning a vacation and want to spread out the costs without racking up interest, Affirm is your new best friend. It's a buy now pay later service that lets you break down payments into manageable chunks, making travel more accessible and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First, ensure you have an Affirm account. If you don't, head to the Affirm website or app and sign up. It's quick, and you'll need to verify your identity. Once that's done, open the Vrbo app or website and log into your account. Vrbo is all about finding that perfect vacation rental, so search for your dream spot by entering your dates, location, and preferences. After selecting a property, hit Book Now to proceed to checkout. This is where things get exciting. Scroll through the payment options, and you should see Affirm listed. Click on it to select Affirm as your payment method. Affirm will then pop up a window asking for some basic info or to log in directly. Next, Affirm will run a soft credit check to confirm your eligibility. Don't worry, it's not a hard inquiry that affects your credit score. If you're approved, you'll be shown payment plan options like 3, 6, or 12 months. Pick the one that suits your budget best. Finally, review your booking details on Vrbo, double-check everything, and confirm the payment. You'll get instant confirmations from both Vrbo and Affirm, and you're all set for your trip. A quick tip: always read the fine print on Affirm's terms to avoid any unexpected fees, and make sure your booking qualifies for Affirm payments. This method is tailored for 2025, so it might evolve, but it should work seamlessly now. There you have it. Paying with Affirm on Vrbo is straightforward and smart for your wallet. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.